Hi folks, Glenn here. I got myself some pencil crayons. Add a bit of color, a little bit of HD to my presentation. Really pumped about it. I think it'll help a lot of you figure out your wheel. And I just want to show you how I do mine. And then when you have it on paper, well, you're going back in Levett videos, just have it aside and you can kind of track things easier if you're having problems with Stellarium. This is kind of like kindergarten. So anyways, that's my birthday. I don't know what time I was born. My parents, they don't have that on record, but sometime in the morning. And that's my sigil. I just wrapped it in Aquarius for fun. And this is how I do my page, or my chart. I'm working on it. Work in progress here, folks. I decorated my own house with my favorite colors. You can see it up here. There's the sun. That's me, or my house. And then what I do is I do all this by hand too, guys, and it helps. During the learning process, and it's fun. You try and make 12 houses on your own. When I did it my first time, I screwed it up a lot, but if you just do the four corners and then break it in thirds, you're good to go. And then put yourself at the top. And I mark this out for my own help so I can remember, and I label everything. Start up here, fire, mutable, positive or male, and then water. I put blue in, it should be white, but I just did that to help you guys visualize. You can see the three colors in fours. Sorry, dyslexic guy here. You can see the four elements in their three states. Guys, I'm just trying to help you out to learn. If you're going to go back and do material that Levett's already covered, make your chart like this, and then while she's talking you can visualize it, and it will help you, trust me. I'm just trying to service to others than service to self, and it's hard to send money, so I can send knowledge, right? And that counts, doesn't it? So in the middle I put my sign, or my signs, and my ruling planet. So I'm fire, I'm mutable, I'm Sagittarian, and Jupiter rules my house, and my color's yellow. Put that in the middle. That's where you are on your chart, and your color will be different, and your planets will be different, and everything will be different. You'll be unique. So while I was doing my chart, I wanted to talk a bit about the number 9, the Enneads. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, fair enough. 9 times 1 is 9. But when I call 9 the egotistical number, it will always reduce to itself, and it kind of shows me that there is something numerically going on with this matrix we're in. We have 10 digits on our hands, we have 10 toes, and you can count the 9's timetable on your hand. It's pretty interesting. Try it yourself, but you'll figure it out. And this is basically reduction, right? So 9 times 3 is 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 times whatever number you want to put there. In this case, 183 equals 1647. So 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4 equals 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Felt compelled to share that with you guys. 9 has always been a number I've associated myself with. I've seen 9/11 and 1 and 9 or 1 and 6 or 11 and 1 or everywhere I go my whole life. And I got this little guy here, we call him the fire chicken. And he's all my favorite colors all lined up in there. I don't know how that happened. But anyways, that's a story for another time. I hope this is helpful for you guys.